kwa hii area very good.
While staying with alcohol, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua says he's ready to lose his position if it is the price of victory in the war against illicit brew. Speaking in Roysambu, DP Gachagua said that as leaders, they do not find joy in leading a drunk country. The second in command further reiterating the directives to cancel the second-generation alcohol manufacturing licenses, awaiting fresh application and the closure of alcohol outlets near schools. Now, this as the Narok County government closed at least 291 bars and called on locals to work with security agencies to curb the menace. Alan Uchanda has the details.
The fight against second-generation brews has gathered pace, with Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua extending his claws, vowing to crush the menace. Speaking during the induction of Roysambu PCEA church minister, Gachagua said he is ready to pay the price for the war against illicit liquor, saying brewers have taken advantage to adulterate the drinks with poisonous substance.
Kama hii kiti itapotea kwa sababu ya kusema watoto wetu hatutakubali wauziwe sumu, niko tayari. Niko tayari. Na hakuna kiongozi yoyote governor unajua mtu angetaka kuwa anaongoza walevi tupu. Hata sisi tukitaka kuongoza watu wasafi, watu wako na heshima, watu wako na familia. That is the pride of leadership. There is no pride in leading a drunken nation. There is no pride in leading people with broken families. There is no pride in leading people who cannot work.
A month ago, more than 10 people perished after consuming second-generation brew in Kirinyaga, and the bar owner has since been arrested and is facing murder charges. Illicit brew consumption in Mount Kenya has been on the rise, and the alleged poisonous additives have led to loss of sight and death in some instances. Mbeere North MP Geoffrey Ruku has also weighed in, terming it as a danger to the next generations and called on leaders and locals to join hands in combating it.
Ipombe karibu ituangaishe. We are almost there. Especially sisi watu ya region hii ya Mount Kenya na hapa Nairobi, karibu tupate shida. Watoto wetu vijana walikuwa wanauziwa sumu, ikisemekana ni pombe. Wanalala kwa mitaro. Wengine wameoa wasichana wazuri, wanalala chini ya kitanda, msichana ako juu ya kitanda. We are almost losing an entire generation.
Vijana wengi wamepoteza afya, wamedhoofika, wamepotea macho, wengine wamekufa, wengine familia zimeisha juu ya hii pombe. Kwa hivyo tunasema tunaunga mkono serikali ili iweze kupigana hiyo pombe na watu waache kunywa pombe mbaya.
Second-generation liquor manufacturing factories have been put on notice and are required to renew their licenses within 21 days, besides restricting location of bars. In Narok, at least 291 bars have been closed down by the county government and call on residents to join hands with security apparatus in combating the menace. Alan Ochanda.
That continues, of course, to be a major story that we follow, and we stay with it, where as crackdown